Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. This inline 4-cylinder naked sport bike just arrived with only 2,300 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition. Check out that red frame and wheels. It's got the smoke mini windscreen, adjustable ASV levers, fender eliminator. This is a badass bike. Really gorgeous looks, low mileage. Come on by and make your 900cc sport bike dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.